Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to set up a Forsage Tron account using your PC. Now below this video you're going to see a link to take you over to Forsage, and you'll also see this link here that says TronLink.org. Okay, so what you want to do is, if you haven't got this wallet first, click on that. That's going to take you to this screen, and because we're going to set this up on our computer, you need to click on this to install it onto Google Chrome. Okay, go through the process of installing that, and once you've done that, you should see that in the top corner here. You should see your wallet. There's an icon like that. If you don't see the icon, okay, then just here, as you can see, I don't know whether you can see that there, if you hover your mouse, it says extensions. If you click on that, and then what you'll look for is TronLink, and then make sure you've got it pinned. Look, if I unpin it, it goes. If I pin it, it comes back. Okay, so make sure you've got that pinned in the top of your browser. Right, so now what we do is we come back to below the video, and now we're going to click on the link and make a note of this ID 2981. So we click the link, and what we want to do is click on automatic registration. That's going to open up your TronLink wallet, and as you can see, it's asking me for 200 Tron. Well, let's just have a look. This is the price of 1 Tron, so I'm just going to copy that, and that's at the time of making this video. Get my calculator, pop that into there, and then times it by 200. As you can see, that's just under $7, $6.95. Obviously you'll have a little bit of a fee, but watch this, because on the Forsage Ethereum, the gas fees were way too high, but on the Tron blockchain they're very low. So let's click on the registration and complete it. So you've got this pop up. All you need to do is to click accept. Now what we're doing is we're just going to hang around for a little bit for this to clear on the blockchain. It can take anything up to about 15 minutes, but normally it's done within a few minutes. So you can click this link here that will take you over to the Tron Scan, so you can see it actually working on the blockchain. So let's click that. As you can see at the moment, it says unconfirmed. We need this to go green. Okay, it's completed 14 blocks. It's normally about 20 blocks on the blockchain. Okay, so if we just, while we're waiting for that, we come up to the Tron wallet, and if I click on here, as you can see, I deposited 250 to cover the fees, but actually the fees, look at what that is. It's the fees 2.7 Tron. So if I just have a look at how much the fee was, so if I just get that, come to my calculator, clear that, pop that into there, and then times that by 2.7, that's what the fee was. A penny. You know, so it's a penny. I've just paid a penny in the blockchain fees, which is mind-blowing. So let's see how we're doing on the blockchain. It says it's now confirmed, so let's come back over to Forsage. And as you can see, it's automatically logged me in, and I've got my first slot here in the ×3 program, and I've also got my slot here in the ×4 program. Now it's recommended that you buy the first 3 slots here, and you buy the first 3 slots here to get you started. The more slots that you buy in this bottom section, the more chances you've got of spillover, because this is where all the magic happens in the ×4. So make sure you click the link below the video, install TronLink onto your browser, and make sure that you use my ID 2981. I'll see you in another video, and I look forward to working with you in Forsage Tron. Bye now.